जिस कश्मीर को खून से सींचा वो कश्मीर हमारा है।
These terrorists managed to enter the camp. Fortunately, they were neutralized. Unfortunately, at a very high cost.
This was a big column of CRPF vehicles, a convoy that was traveling in.
The tranquil waters of the Dal Lake here in Srinagar can often conceal the turbulence that lies within. The sense of calmness has always coexisted uneasily with the trigger of the gun. As the horrific terror attack in Baisaran has shown, it doesn't take much to rip apart the veneer of normalcy here in the Kashmir Valley. As tensions between India and Pakistan escalate, the big question though is, will Baisaran 2025 prove to be a turning point? Will the voices echoing across this valley calling for change, saying enough is enough and not in my name, become a propellant for transformation for a new Kashmir? Will this be another false dawn, or will the valley fight back? That's what we want to find out. Join us on this India Today special.
जो भी मर गए तो वो भी इंसान ही है. इंसान को इंसानियत होनी चाहिए. If we don't have humility each other, then which kind of people we are, which kinds of humans we are?
सब लोग चाहते हैं टूर आएंगे, शिकारा भी तैयार करें, लेकिन जो बीच में हो गया गरीब लोग के लिए बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो गया खड़ा. और कुछ नहीं सर. No anybody happy in Kashmir for peoples who we touch with tourists. Nobody happy.
वो टारगेट कर रहे हैं कश्मीरियों को. हमारा बिजनेस टॉप में था इस वक्त और जीरो हो गया. देयर इज अ कर्फ्यू लाइक अ कर्फ्यू इन दिलवाड़.
को आना चाहिए, बिना खौफ के आना चाहिए, बिना डर के आना चाहिए.
Fed up with violence and disturbances and all other things that follow violence. So people want to live a normal life. Kashmiris are really fed up with the situation they have been enduring for the last many decades. This time you have seen yourself, it was unprecedented on the part of Kashmiris to come out openly on the roads.
We will fight back and we will enjoy. Kashmir is for the enjoyment, not for the other things.
Your houseboat doing well or not?
Well, at the moment everything is suspended.
Everything suspended?
Suspended, yes.
After Baisaran, you've completely suspended all your business?
Wiped up.
You've been wiped out?
Wiped up the whole tourism.
You all were booked up till June end.
June end, and still queries were coming for July, August for tracking and everything also.
And now?
Now there's all cancellations.
I want to ask both of you this question. ये जो normalcy बार-बार कहते हैं, normalcy has returned. Do you think normalcy had returned? Did it require one terror strike to suddenly everybody say, where is the normalcy?
The question is, why it happened? That's the most important question.
Why do you think it happened?
Well,
because Pakistan has been promoting terror here for 30 years.
Definitely it has been, but what we have to do, we have to strike them back. Kashmir wants peace, love, hospitality, to give the people hospitality over here. That's it.
और ये जो हिंदू मुस्लिम करने की कोशिश की दी है कि
this is very unfortunate. That's not our culture. India is a mix of all cultures, creeds, religions and all.
और उम्मीद पर दुनिया कायम है.
Right? 30 साल हाथ ये ज़िंदगी जो निकल गई है हमारी 35 साल, हम 55 साल कैसे पहुंचे हमें भी पता नहीं है। सिर्फ एक ही है कि कश्मीर में टूरिज्म लाना है, किसी तरीके से भी लाना है और उनको खुश करके यहाँ से भेजना है, यही एक हमारा एक पॉइंट है।
So Baisaran will not stop you.
इतने जो हुए हैं 90s में, 91 में, 92 में, तो भी हमने ऑन करा, गवर्नमेंट का सपोर्ट था, टूरिज्म का, लोकल्स आर डूइंग बेस्ट। तो अभी भी और मेहनत करेंगे, मीडिया का भी उसमें रोल हम लोगों को चाहिए, सब लोगों का सपोर्ट चाहिए, एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी विल गो थ्रू अगेन।
We don't have any discrimination here. We are one. Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Ittihad. We are one.
We are all one. We have to
We are
work
one.
for the
We don't
betterment
have-
of
we don't have
Kashmir,
any
for the lives of Kashmir, the future of Kashmir, and that's the beauty of Kashmir.
Chalo, thank you very much. Now you know what a real houseboat looks like. Special tea has been prepared. So where have you come from?
I'm from South Africa.
Terror attack was more than just a little terror attack.
You know what?
20.
I didn't tell my wife about it because I knew if I did tell her, she wouldn't come. So I kept it quiet until we came here and then I told her. But we've moved around everywhere and we felt nothing but safe. The people are absolutely hospitable. They're loving, they're kind, they're helpful, and no fear. Where I come from in South Africa, I can't walk around at night. Here, I'm walking around freely with my wife, and we don't even turn around to look.
That's your wife
That's
who's
my
recording
wife.
it.
Yes, yes.
But she doesn't want. Hello, ma'am. How are you? You can't say no. Hi.
Sorry, I won't.
Have you enjoyed being in Kashmir?
Oh, it's one of the most beautiful places in the entire world. Really, it's so scenic. The people are hospitable. They're courteous. They're friendly. They're polite. No.
Good to hear.
Inshallah, I'll come again.
You'll
I'll
come
back.
again. Fir aayenge.
Inshallah.
Okay, good. As you can see, you've got to fight fear by looking at it in the face.